Hey guys, right, a real quick video here. Look what's behind me. This made me smile when I picked it up. Have a look at it. More copper. Look at it. Look, see there. I picked up 3 welders this week, or in the last 2 weeks. And look at this. Like there alone, that's $50 just there. That's an ingot. That's 1 ingot sitting there, right there. So there's that, and I reckon it's probably 0.7 again, but you also get all the brass fittings with it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna show a video doing that, but one of these welders, I think it's this welder, it's got an aluminium core in it, no copper in that one, but these two have copper in them, so they are gonna do really well. And look at all that cable, copper cable. So I've also got a little bar fridge I'm going to strip it, and a couple of fans as well. More copper. Happy with that.